Ever missed the perfect shot because your iPhone camera took too long to open? Or perhaps it took too long to save the first photo and let you shoot again? In this video, I will show you simple tips to make your iPhone camera open and shoot faster so you never miss a moment again. Instead of unlocking your iPhone and finding the camera app, swipe left from your lock screen to open it instantly. You can also tap the camera icon in the bottom right corner. Those with an iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max can take advantage of the camera control button, while the action button can also be used for this purpose on supported models. You can also quickly jump to the camera app from any app. Just add camera control to your control center and tap on it whenever you need to quickly launch the camera app. To take faster photos, use the volume buttons instead of tapping on the screen. It feels more natural and lets you shoot without repositioning your hand. This is perhaps the most important thing you will learn in this video. For burst style speed, go to settings, tap on camera, and turn on the toggle for prioritize faster shooting. This makes your iPhone reduce processing delays so you can capture multiple shots quickly. For even faster shooting, take advantage of the burst mode feature. Press and hold the shutter button and slide your finger towards left. This is perfect for action scenes, sports or fast moving subjects. And that's how you can speed up your iPhone camera so you are always ready to capture the moment. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips.